Find the roots of the equation by factorization method. X square minus 7x plus 10. Multiply first these two, first and last. 10 into x square is 10x square. This split by two numbers so that sum of these two numbers is minus 7x. Therefore 5 to the 10, x into x is x square. Therefore minus 5x minus 2x we get minus 7x. Now therefore x square, instead of minus 7x we have to write it minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. Here take common x, inside x minus 5, here minus 2, inside x minus plus minus 2, 5 is a 10. X minus 5 take again common, inside x here minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 5 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 5 take right side becomes plus 5. X minus 2 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 2 take right side becomes plus 2. Therefore roots are 5 and